So hey Floss family, it's your girl Marcy J, and today I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, then welcome, and if it's not, then welcome back. I'm so excited about today's video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fleek your strip lashes like a pro. You heard me right. If there's one thing that I'm known for, it's for my big blinks and slaying these lash looks, okay? So if you guys would like to see more, then make sure to continue watching. So guys, jumping into today's tutorial, you'll need 4 items. Your first item is obviously eyelashes. You need some strip eyelashes. These I actually got off of Amazon, and they're nice and fluffy, just the way I like them. And guys, please don't mind my nails. I haven't had the opportunity to go to the nail salon, and I'm actually in the process of soaking my acrylic off. And I'm actually thinking about filming it for you guys. So if you guys would like to see how I remove my acrylic safely, then make sure to comment down below and stay tuned for next week's video. But back to what we came here to do. Next, you'll need some lash adhesive. So today I'll be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in the color Clear. You'll also need some tweezers, and you'll need a compact mirror. This is not a compact mirror, but it's reflective. This is actually my mixing tray for my makeup. So first things first, you want to take your compact mirror and your lash adhesive. So you want to grip your compact mirror like this and hold it in the palms of your hand as you're looking down. So you're gonna look directly down. So you wanna apply the lash glue directly to your lash line. And also keep in mind that it's best to do this with clear glue, because with black glue, it's gonna look crazy. So if you do decide to use this method, make sure to use clear glue. And it's as simple as that. So we're gonna let this dry. So now you wanna grab your lashes from the middle so that you have control over the lash. And you wanna take your compact mirror and look down. So you're gonna place this lash directly in the center like this. Then you wanna grab the corner and tug it and place it into its correct spot. And you want to go to the front and lift it over your natural lash line and apply it. And we have one lash in place. So now for the next side, once again, you want to grab the lash directly in the middle with your tweezers so you have more control over the lash. And you want to center the lash and place it directly in the middle, like that. And then you want to grab the corner edge. I'm lifting it over my lash line, and I'm placing it in the adhesive, just like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Take the corner, look down, and place it into the adhesive. And to make sure that they're secure, you can take your tweezers and press them in. You can clamp them in. Like that. Clamp, clamp, clamp. And there we have it. So Floss fam, that officially completes today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me apply my false lashes. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know your thoughts on today's tutorial and show your girl some love. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Send your family over here so that they can join the Floss squad. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in next week's tutorial. It's always a pleasure. Ciao.